my channel. So I wanted to share with you guys what kind of makeup I do on a very lazy day where I feel like I do not have the time to do so much makeup and I'm very lazy to put so many different products on my face. So I thought this will be very helpful to you guys, and on top of that this is perfect for beginners because it's super easy to do and I'm only using 5 products. So yeah, if you all want to know how I get ready when I'm very lazy, please keep watching. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you'll get notified every single time I upload. So yeah, now let's get started. Oh, by the way, my name is Ritika. In case you all did not know I forget to tell you guys. So yeah, my name is Ritika. Hi guys, welcome to my little family. If you all are new, welcome. So yeah, now let's go. So I'm going to start off by applying foundation. Our first product is going to be a foundation. I'm going to be using my Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation in the shade Warm Sand. And to apply this foundation, I'm actually using this BS Small brush. This is like a angled round top brush. This is perfect for applying foundation. It picks up very less, it spreads very evenly, and on top of that, very affordable again. I'm not going to be applying this all over my face. I'm just going to be applying this wherever I have dark spots, like my under eyes, around my mouth, around my nose, a little bit on my nose, and a little bit on my eyes as well. As you all can see, I have a lot of pigmentation on my eyes, and wherever I find spots on my face, that is how I'm going to get a very smooth canvas, and I'm going to end up applying very little amount of product. So now that we've applied our base, it's time to set. So for setting, I have a hack for you guys. I'm going to be using my Pond's Talcum powder. Yes, this is a powder that is found in almost everyone's place. If not Pond's, you'll be having some other talcum powder. And also you can use the baby Johnson & Johnson baby powder. That is also very good. I'm going to be setting my entire face with this particular product. But one thing, you have to make sure that you use very less amount of it, and if you're using it, make sure that you dust off the excess product. Otherwise, you're gonna look like you applied too much powder and you're gonna look like a white princess. So yeah, be careful while using this. Use just a little bit and then dust off the excess. I just hate the smell of this Pond's talcum powder. It's so flowery. It smells like an old lady. But yeah. So the next most important thing in my entire makeup routine are my brows. I do not get out of my house without doing my brows. So whenever I'm feeling very lazy, where I do not want to put in too much efforts to do my brows because I take a lot of time to do my brows, I end up using this NYX 3-in-1 brow pencil. Now this is an amazing brow product, guys. It has the pen or the brow pencil itself. It also has a brow powder right in the middle, and just a minute, it also has a brow gel. This is like the perfect little pencil for me. It has everything that I need to get that bold brows very quickly. So the next thing that we are going to do is get some color back to our face, because right now it's looking flat, and just going out like that is going to make you look very dead. So the next product is this Maybelline Master Contour Kit. You guys know I absolutely love this. And on top of that, this is the perfect combination. You get a blush, you get a highlighter, and you get a bronzer. All the 3 things are in just one palette. So first we are going to bronze, then we are going to apply a little bit of blush, and then we are going to highlight with the same palette. So what I like to do when I'm in a rush, I just take the bronzer side of this particular palette and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids just to give it a little bit of a depth. And again, you do not have to be very precise with this. You can be as sloppy as you want. I'm just creating a little bit of depth so that they look a little chiseled. And I like to just connect the nose contour with this particular eyeshadow. So can you see the structure is so much more different than this side. This side is more flat, this side is more contoured. The next thing is highlighter, guys. So let's highlight, let's glow. And I'm also applying the same highlighter in the corners of my eyes, on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow, wherever I basically highlight. So now that we've got a lot of color back to our face and we are looking all glowy and bronzy, there's one thing that is missing, that is my eyelashes. I cannot see my eyelashes whatsoever and my eyes look like buttons. So to get that life back, you need to apply lots and lots of mascara, and for that I am using my Essence Lash Princess mascara, and this gives me so much volume, so much length, and it just looks like I've applied falsies. And the last product, that is the fifth product, is lipstick. Y'all can use any lipsticks y'all like. I'm gonna be using this Palladio Velvet Matte Lip Cream in the shade Boucle. Okay, honestly, I thought the shade is gonna be lighter, but it's darker and I absolutely love it. So yeah, this is the final result. This is how I get ready when I'm super lazy, like super duper lazy. It literally takes me 10 minutes to get ready to do this entire makeup look that I just did. It just took me a little longer because I was filming, but yeah. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you all liked it, and let me know in the comments below what y'all think about my makeup look. I feel that it looks pretty good. Let me know whether you're gonna try it as well. So yeah, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well if you all do like it. I'll see y'all in my next one very soon. All there. Bye.